Another modification for your Tesla Model 3s and Ys. We don't like plain Teslas here. Today, we're modifying the accelerator and the brake pedal. Let's start off with the brake pedal. We have this guy, and they have different text on it, but we thought it would be funny to get the one that says overheating warning. Isn't that funny? They have these rubber pads on both the bottom and the side. It gives you good grip when you're putting your foot down on it to either stop the car or accelerate the car. Speaking of accelerating the car, the accelerator pedal. Check this out. It's the energy class, and it goes from 0 to 100%. I like this one as well. And again, it has the rubber pad on the bottom and the top, and it has a little bit of texture. Should be good when you put your foot on it, won't be sliding around the place. The installation should be pretty simple. So go ahead and open your front door and let's put these in. This is how it looks stock. So you get one on your brake, but you don't get anything on the accelerator pedal. Let's go ahead and take this brake pedal one off. There we go. It's gone. I think I got it. Come on, brake pedal. Come on, brake pedal. Come on, brake pedal. Oh no. It's gonna squish me, Brad. It's trying to kill me. But we got it in. The backs of these have these little tabs, so you can go ahead and grab it, spread it. But this one, and kind of the brake pedal, I did it too. You go ahead and you slide it from the bottom upwards, you pull it apart, and then you should be able to get the rubber over the metal pads. I'm going down under. Okay. Yeah, if you spread it across on the top, it just slides in super easily. Cool. All right. Awesome. I'm a little hot, I'm a little sweaty from that. You gotta get down underneath your seat, push this all the way up, push the seat back. But after you do that, you have some pretty cool, pretty snazzy looking brake and accelerator pedals. This is what they look like on. Honestly, the installation isn't that hard. You just have to get used to sliding them on. And once you get used to it, you can put these on no problem. I really like the way they look. And if you do too, they'll be in the description below the like button.